back. You're back. We're back. Let's look at this one. I'm Mr. Short still. You're still here for Eureka Math Squared, second grade, module 4, lesson 3. You've already hit that subscribe button for me, so I appreciate that. If you haven't, it's not too late. Go ahead and click that real quick. Just get that over with. Help me out. All right. We do have a back today. So we have page 17 and page 18 today. I'll give you a hint. Tomorrow, there's no back page. All right. Let's look at this. Beth has 2 bags of beads. One bag has 40 beads. The other bag has 50 beads. 30 beads are red and 30 beads are green. The rest of the beads are yellow. How many beads are yellow? All right, so there's a lot of steps in this one. So let's look at it. We're going to draw it. So I'm going to draw a square. It's not a bag. I'm going to act like it is. I'm going to put 40 beads in there. Okay, there's 40 beads. Well, I have another bag that has 50 beads. So I'm going to put this, put a 50. All right, so we need to figure out how many beads we have. So what is 40 plus 50? We can go the old way that, this is how most of your parents show you. 50, 40. You could put these on a number line too and make jumps if you want. But I think you guys got this one because 0 over 0, 0 plus 0 is what? 0. 5 plus 4? 9. So we have 90 beads. Okay, that's step 1. Step 2, 30 beads are red and 30 beads are green. The rest are yellow beads. All right, so now we need to take 30 red. I'm going to put an R there for red. 30 G for green. Add those together. So 0 plus 0. Make sure you line this up nice and neat too. All your 10s should be in the same area. All your 1s should be in the same. Nice, straight, neat. All right, 0 plus 0 is still 0. 3 plus 3, 6. All right, we're not done yet. So this is how many red and green beads we have. This is the total number of beads. We need to figure out how many are yellow. So we need to take out the red and the green beads to see how many are yellow, which means we need to take away. We need to subtract. Okay, so we're going to minus the green and the red beads. Okay, again, we could do this one other ways, but this one kind of works out all right for us, right? To go on top of each other because this number is bigger than this number. There's no borrowing, so we're good. So 0 minus 0 is 9 minus 6 is how many? If you want, draw your place value chart. 10s, 1s. We have 0 1s, right? It's nothing there. We have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we need to take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many is left? 1, 2, 3. 3. We have 3 10s left, right? 3 10s, that's worth 30. All right. So over here, we drew it out here. We could have drawn it a little different, but this is a big problem. This one's a lot to handle, so I felt like we need to do this one a little bit different. All right, because where it says write is where we're supposed to be writing out our problem. Just write your answer down there. Your teacher's going to be happy if she sees all the, she or he, I slipped there. She or he sees all this work you did on there. Every teacher would be happy with that. All right, let's look at the back real quick. Circle the time that matches the clock. Write the time on the digital clock. All right. So circle the time that matches the clock. So we got 6 o'clock, 10:30. Which one is that? Is this 6 o'clock or is this 10:30? And then that time needs to be written over here. I'm not helping with that one. You guys got this one. All right, this says write the total. So you're going to count by how many are in each bundle. And then add these 2 extras. So you're counting by a certain number. I'll give you a hint. That one's worth 10. The rest of them are worth the same. So make sure you figure this out at the end. All right, that's all I can help with today. I don't want to get myself in trouble. All right. I hope this helped. Again, this is Eureka Math Squared, second grade, Module 4, Lesson 3. I'm Mr. Short. You're here. Good job being here. Turn this in tomorrow. Don't forget in your backpack. Don't leave it on the table. Don't let the dog eat it. Don't let your little brother or sister make a paper airplane out of it. Throw it out the window. Then try to tell your teacher that. We won't believe it. All right. Turn this in tomorrow and have